So what makes these so fast then compared to other boats?
Well, I think they're very light.
And the prop is the only thing in the water most of the time.
Almost. Almost.
Fantastic. You have to be very careful on the throttle, particularly when the wind, because it can pick up the front and flip it.
It's very close to fly over.
Yeah.
Or stay on the water.
Yeah. Yeah. That's where experience comes from, I guess.
Yeah.
Brilliant. And the engine is what in here?
90.
It's
29 cc.
29 cc.
Yeah.
And if somebody wanted a Dragstar hull, where would they get it? Where would you buy one of these?
I don't know who's making the hull.
Maybe I'll look on Google. Should I?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, great demo. Thank you very much for that.
Yeah.
Good fun.